aha mukorwa kuhanisha abasirikare abarumwe minyeto erwingana 2009 mu district ya Kasese Harwenzor Square kano Richard Seguya Chitata the Mountain Division Operations and Training Officer yayireka ko mu baro bw'abanya-Uganda guri kweyongera buri kanya guri kwetega ibyo kwerinda kubasa kurinda abantu n'ebintu byabo kugira ngo abatura bagume n'obusinge ekiraretera entunguka mu biceka byabo.
We mainly considered the age because the job of the forces is very hectic and requires a lot of energy. So our brackets in terms of age were 18 to 22 because that's the prime age where one has a lot of energy to really do hectic work. So our major consideration was one, age.
Kano Chitata yashobora mugasho go kwandiko kwari kugira ngo bamwe bahandikisibwe no kwije imyanya yaba bahumwire kutari kurinda abantu konka.
Recruitment is always continuous, but it's because when you look at the population of the country, our population right now should be closing into 50 million. And when you look at the numbers of UPDF vis-a-vis the population, in terms of security, the numbers are still low.
Chitata yagira ngo cyumushemize na mnonga kureba abana bato nibejumbira mu mahegi ihanga ekirukore ko mutuma na rukundo ihanga ryabo.
And we are here basically to ensure that we replenish the Uganda People's Defense Forces with young blood ready to handle the security of this country. The number we are targeting from Kasese district is 209 recruits.
Kano Chitata yoreka ko abamo bazire mu kwandikisa oku baresire empapura zitahikire kandi abamwe bine emyaka erengere kwetagisibwa.
My observations are that some, but very few, of our children are forging documents. They are forging documents, and that's very appalling and surprising, because if the young ones can really start forging at this age, then the future of the country is at stake. You find somebody at primary 7, he puts his birth age to be 94, and at A level he says he was born in 1997, and you cannot understand.
Ahabwira abazire babana naba barukubareberera kutwara abana hishomero kugira ngo batunge yo bwegese babase kuganyirwa merume ndijo eryo mu ihanga.